Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Separate Group today officially opened its new $3 billion state-of-the-art grains mill, Jamaica Grains and Cereals. It's off Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who opened the facility, said that he is pleased to see the level of investment in downtown Kingston.
This investment is also important because it puts us on a good footing for growth. Yes, it has increased employment. 300 Jamaicans are now employed.
The multi-grain milling facility, which involves a partnership with Seaboard Corporation, will produce the company's new Gold Seal flour brand and corn products. The investment will also allow Jamaica Grain and Cereals to increase its cornmeal production to better satisfy demand throughout the Caribbean. The investment will also allow Jamaica Grains to increase its cornmeal production to the rest of the Caribbean region. And the investment increases Jamaica Grains' capacity to produce corn and flour products for local and regional markets by 400% and its grain storage capacity by 1,000%. Employment growth rate in the business process outsourcing BPO sector has surpassed all other sectors with the creation of some 26,000 new jobs. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Daryl Vaz, made the announcement even as another investment through the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, is expected to boost the sector even more.
The Development Bank of Jamaica has committed $73 million to finance 15 BPO projects island-wide. Last year, we commenced our development of new spaces in Montego Bay and Portmore to create over 6,000 new job opportunities. The Factories Corporation of Jamaica has undertaken to design and construct BPO spaces on 34 acres with a target of approximately 20,000 jobs.
Mr. Vaz was speaking at a recent cocktail reception introducing an upcoming program, the Outsource to Jamaica Symposium and Expo. He says all the relevant government agencies will be providing support to the sector to maximize the full potential. New BPO spaces are to be developed in Montego Bay, St. James and in Portmore, St. Catherine. He listed some challenges, however, including the length of time it takes to create economic zones, which he says is being addressed.
Another challenge is the lack of persons with basic training to fill the needs of the sector, which we are working to address in tandem with our tertiary institutions such as Hard Trust NTA. We have also begun to diversify the type of work performed in Jamaica to create more opportunities for tertiary graduates and higher paying jobs.
The inaugural Outsource to Jamaica Symposium and Expo will be staged at the Montego Bay Convention Center from April 11 to 13 this year. Digicel today announced that Vanessa Slowly, CEO for the Caribbean and Central America, has decided to leave the business. Ms. Slowly has been with the telecommunications company for 15 years, initially in the Caribbean and then as CEO of Digicel in Asia Pacific. Ms. Slowly returned to the Caribbean to head the Caribbean and Central America business in August 2016. Oil prices edged higher in choppy trade today after the International Energy Agency said global oil demand is expected to pick up this year, but warned supply is growing at a faster pace. Prices posted their second consecutive day of gains as West Texas Intermediate crude futures rose 23 cents to settle at $61.19 a barrel. In foreign exchange trading, the US dollar closed at $128.44, while the Canadian dollar ended today's trading at $98.82. Sterling traded at $176.69, and the euro ended at $157.96. In today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 4,282 points to close at 291,107. The JSE Select Index declined by 219 points to close at 8,753. Honeybun, Lasco Distributors, Grace Kennedy, Lasco Financial Services, Panjam Investments, and Elite Diagnostics were the main winners today. Now, the losers were led by Knutsford Express, Scotia Group, Kingston Properties, 138 Student Living, Salada Foods, and Berger Paints. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.